Nature is fun. Nature is fun. Come find some nature with me. It's nature time with me.
Follow me. Mallards. They're gone. But did you know that those ducks are completely mahoganistic? Meaning they stay with their mates for life. They mate for life. They're completely loyal. And they don't break up with you and leave you for some Zumba instructor.
Jerry, come on, we gotta finish the show. Jerry, stop. It's okay, it's just birds.
You hear those birds? Regurgitating their stuff to their little baby boys. Probably starting relationships, playing around, having fun. Probably not cheating on each other with the Zumba instructor that you paid for the classes for. I'm gonna call her, dude.
It's not gonna work.
Stupid bird. I gave you my love. I gave you my life. Let's go, Terry.
No, stop. Don't.
I'm gonna call it.
Don't call her. Dude, she's not gonna take you back.
I don't even have my phone.
Jerry, what are you doing? Oh my gosh, Jerry, stop. Jerry, calm down. It's not gonna bring her back. It's not gonna bring her back.
Jerry is safe now in a mental hospital down in Maryland. So we had to replace him. So we went through the audition tapes and all that stuff, and we found like the perfect one. And this one's actually stable. Like, you know, he's married, he has kids. His parents, on paper, look great. Yeah, he has an engineering degree. Yeah, he seems perfect. Yeah.
Nature is fun. Nature is fun. Come find some nature with me. It's nature time with me.
One.
Look there. Guys, isn't nature amazing? See, turtles have an amazing relationship. They stay with their families for life, and they have a great healthy relationship, and their fathers don't pressure their sons or kids into doing things that they don't want to do. And it works. They don't force them to become engineers, and they're fine with you just fulfilling your dreams, and you can be an artist, you can dance, and
Rick.
I gave you everything.
Rick.
I gave you everything. And what did you spat in my face? You're wrong to me.
Rick.
Don't touch me.
Rick. It's just a turtle.
He always tells me what to do.
It's not your dad. This won't fix anything. The freak is this, dude?